Hi, this is Jasmine of Jasmine Creates, and today I'm very excited to tell you that I'm having a workshop and it's gonna be about food sketching, and I am happy to show you my working area for today. It's gonna be a short tour because my area is not so big. So here we go. So first come first, this is gonna be the wall. This is where I put always my stuff if I'm doing something. I call it as my mood board. I didn't fix my wall yet because I was planning to do something. I'm gonna put my music a little bit low. This is where I always do my administration and everything like that. And that's my pens, my brush pens. I put it first there because I need my table for today for the workshop. My sketchbook at the moment, it's still ongoing. They're not full yet, so I put them all there so I can easily pick it up. And our theme for today is sketchbook, sketch journaling with food sketching. This is the drawing I made for a hobby store here in Holland. And I'm allowed to keep some of it. So I put it also here in my wall because that's also what I do for workshop with brush pens and watercolor. And this is the painting I made 3 years ago. It's a monkey. It's always cheering me up in the house. And this is my botanical garden in the area. My brushes, my paints. This is where I put all my painting stuff. I separated it from my drawing, and that closet, that brown drawer, that's for my drawings, watercolor, and that is for painting. And this one is for my oil. It's my oil paint. At the moment, I use it for coffee and drinks and everything like that for today because I need space. But normally, they're always there, my coffee and everything. So this is where I do my filming. When I do some YouTube film, I always do it here with my lamp. I don't have any professional standard for filming. I always use this one as very handy. And this is where I always wash my hands, take my water when I do need something. Everything with water, 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 water. That's what we need. And this is my table. This is where I always work my things. And I always have extra chairs here for if I have visitors and also if I give a workshop. And actually I have more chairs, but today I only keep it 4 because we're only 4. I don't really do everything big workshop. I always give small workshop because I like it. It's, you know, if I have a big workshop, then I need to carry all my stuff to the area and, you know, preparation, and you do everything in one day, and that's too tiring. And here I can just slowly, you know, every day, little by little, prepare my stuff for the workshop. Which is, I like it. I don't mind it because once I'm done with the workshop, I just go down in my living room and relax. I have more control. So that's why I keep my workshop small. And for the other people, it's also handy because, you know, they can ask easily question if they need something. You know, you can have more contact with the students. I have here my fine liners, my brush pens for beginners. It's more smaller. It's from Pentel. This is not sponsored with anything here. This names here, but so there's a water, there's a pencil sharpener, and that's my brush pens. So we're gonna use also later on brush pens. So this is gonna be cool workshop. Books. That's the other side of my area. And also, before I always also give a painting workshop, but then I realized I cannot really do it here because I have small space for these easels, but maybe for small groups like 3 people maximum. So that's it. I give you a tour of my room. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel of YouTube, Jasmine Creates, Jasmine_creates, and also follow my Instagram at Jasmine_creates. And I'll see you again next time. Bye.